Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can create consistent characters in Leonardo AI. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Leonardo AI. After that, open the first official website and log in using your account. Now, you will be redirected to this page on your account. After logging in, enter the prompt of the type of image you would like to generate. Now, choose the image you like and download it on your device. Now, go to the Image Creation tab and upload that image. Note that you can change the prompt drastically as it may affect our artwork, and you can see that the images have the same character. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.